Welcome to Kids and the Future, your go-to podcast for parenting insights and practical tips.
Join us in shaping a brighter future for our kids. Subscribe now and be part of the conversation.
Hey parents, ever wondered why everyone suggests Python for your budding coders? Well, let's break it down without the tech jargon. We are diving into why Python is the go-to language for kids to kickstart their coding journey. Python, simple, human-friendly magic. Python is like the magic wand of coding. It's not like those complicated languages with tons of confusing rules. Imagine turning a 20-line program into just 5 lines, less hassle, more fun. Python's playground, endless possibilities. Python isn't just a language, it's a whole playground of opportunities. From Instagram to YouTube, it's everywhere. Startups, fintech, web development, data science, and machine learning. Python is the cool kid in town. Python skills for the future. In the ever-evolving job market, skills like critical thinking, creativity, and tech literacy are gold. Python isn't just about coding, it's a tool that hones these skills. Plus, working on group projects sharpens communication and teamwork, essential for the future. Python libraries, where magic happens. For the young learners, Python libraries are like treasure chests. Take the Turtle library, for example. It's a drawing board for kids, turning coding into a creative masterpiece with just a few lines. Job growth and security. The future is tech, and the demand for developers is soaring. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts a 22% job growth for developers until 2029. Learning Python isn't just a trend, it's a smart move for a secure future. So when to start? Is the big question. When should your kid dive into Python? I would say around 12 is the sweet spot. At this age, they grasp computational thinking and algorithms. For the younger ones, Scratch or App Inventor can be a playful start. But hey, there are always those brilliant kids who might crack Python earlier. Learning made fun. Core programming concepts might sound a bit serious, but who said learning can't be a blast? Games, animations, and interactive materials online turn coding into an adventure. And if you want a more structured approach, there are loads of online resources with lessons that make coding as easy as child's play. So, embrace the Python wave. It's not just about coding, it's about unlocking a world of fun and learning for your kids.
Thank you for joining us on Kids and the Future. Your dedication to shaping a brighter tomorrow for our kids means the world to us.
Until next time, thank you and goodbye.